This video is about checking your water pressure with the water pressure gauge. It's very important because if the pressure is too low, you're going to have an issue with the supply. And if the pressure is too high, the water pressure might damage the fixtures in your house. So it's very important to check. These gauge are available anywhere. Any hardware store, you'll find this gauge. The price range from $10 to $15 to $22. I just picked this up at Harbor Freight store. I think I pay $5 for it. So it's very affordable and it works. I just wanted to check the pressure of the house. So it's built well. It's all metal and I believe metal with bronze. And the red needle is not really measuring anything. It's more to it's like whatever the pressure is. If you, let's say you you keep it hooked up to the water supply, whatever the last pressure was, that's what the red needle is there to hold, to show you that this was the pressure. It's like a recording device. So the black needle actually moves the red needle into a position of the power. So over here I turn the water on and you see the pressure is going to go up. The pressure is about 70 psi, which is not good. The ideal pressure should be between 45 to 50 or 55 the most. If it's above 70, then you have to get a regulator to regulate the pressure. So this pressure in this house is pretty high. I'm going to have to get a regulator installed to prevent any damage to the plumbing or to the fixtures that's connected to the plumbing system. No wonder, as you saw in the beginning of the video, the water pressure sprouting out was, rather forced water. You felt that the pressure was too high. So I'm going to check the hot water side. I have cold and hot water sprout coming out. I'm going to check the hot water side and see what the pressure is. I'm expecting the hot water pressure to be low because I did see a regulator installed in the hot water side to regulate the water going into the tank. However, when you have the water going into a tank and the output pressure might change slightly. So in this case, since I have the gauge and I have the ports right there, I'm going to just connect it and see what the pressure is like. This way, I could adjust the regulator I have coming in from the hot water side. So let's see. So it has a washer inside. I don't know if you saw, and hand tie in it. As long as you don't have any water leak, you are able to measure the temperature. Unfortunately for this situation here, both cold water and hot water pressure seems to be the same, which is at 70, and that's not good. So I have to get a regulator, either have another regulator installed, or maybe I could relocate the regulator that is going to the hot water tank, make it for the entire house. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel, share it with your family and friends. Thank you for watching.